So I want us all to juice ourselves to clear skin. That is because juicing with fruits and vegetables cleanses your liver, and in turn your liver gets in good shape and functions well. That way, processing and flushing out all those toxins you consume knowing and unknowingly. See, all the germs or bad fats, all the junk you consume, they express themselves in the form of pimples, acne, skin congestion, roughness, discoloration, all those skin issues. So juicing is like being proactive, stopping the cause of all the skin congestion, skin discoloration, acne, pimples, waste in your system that you don't flush out. They express in the form of all those pimples, roughness on the skin you complain about. So with that said, I will be sharing with you today how to come up with this very powerful, cleansing, delicious green juice to consume to cleanse your liver, flush all those toxins out of your system, and glow naturally from within. So without wasting much of your time, I'll take you now and show you how to come up with yours yourself at home. Don't forget to like the video if you find it helpful, and share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy, looking good and beautiful. So let's get into it. So in order to come up with this green juice for clear skin, I'll be using mostly green leafy vegetables for this juice. That is because green leafy vegetables help to cleanse the liver and leave it in good state to in turn process and flush out all those bad fats, all the junk, processed foods you consume, bulging themselves out in the form now of acne, pimples, making your skin look so rough and congested. I'll be using parsley as the first ingredient, and what you need is just a handful. So you want to slice any green leafy vegetable of your choice, handful of any green leafy vegetable as the first ingredient. So that is it. So as I mentioned earlier, I will be using mostly green leafy vegetables as they help to cleanse the liver and leave it in good state to process and flush out all those bad fats, toxins, dead germs, all the junk food we consume, expressing themselves in the form of acne, pimples, skin congestion. For clear skin, that is where we are adding in all these green leafy vegetables to cleanse your liver, for your liver to flush out all those things so you can have clear skin, to leave in nutrients into your system so your skin can naturally glow and look clear and beautiful from within. So what you need is like a handful of kale. I use just 3 leaves to get a handful. So 3 leaves of kale will give you a handful. This one now is optional. You can add in the third green leafy vegetable, or this is a celery root I had in my refrigerator. As you can see, it is frost-bitten. I just got it out to add it in the juice, but you can use just 2 green leafy vegetables if you don't have 3 of them at home. The next ingredient I'll be adding in here will be cucumber. I'll be adding 1 whole cucumber because it is about 98% water based, to add in, like, increase the quantity of the juice. Not just for that, cucumbers are disease fighting. They have anti-cancer, disease properties to cleanse your system, form a disease fighting barrier in your system, as they are alkaline in nature, to fight and prevent diseases from culturing in your system as well. So I am adding 1 full. I would have added half, but I want 1 whole cucumber so the juice can be a little bit like more. Yeah, so you want to slice into sizes that you can easily juice. The next ingredient I'll be adding in here will be apples. So I'll be adding 2 apples into this juice. Apples too are alkaline in nature and help to fight and prevent diseases. They are close to 96% water based, to support the system, hydrate the system, to now in turn cleanse and give you that natural glow from within by flushing out all those deads bulging out in the form of skin congestion and dull looking skin. So those are 2 apples I sliced, and voila, I added them in the first ingredient. So make sure to follow these steps, very important. Make sure you always thoroughly wash your ingredients after even washing the first time. I washed those ingredients the first time, but this one now is, thorough cleaning, because most of these fruits and vegetables are sprayed with insecticides, like those sprays, the spray so insects cannot eat up the food before they get to the market. They like to protect the food. There are chemicals they use to spray this so it can be in good state, even though they are organic, but you still need to wash because they have been sprayed with preservatives. So that is it. Washed, thoroughly cleaned, as you can see, very important. And now to juicing. If you don't have a juicer, you can just blend and consume as a smoothie. It is even better as a smoothie if you don't have a juicer, as you'll be putting in the fiber in your system, because fiber is good, most especially for people who have high blood, diabetes. They need fiber to be able to like process and metabolize the sugar in these fruits for them. And equally, it helps with weight loss as well. So if you don't have a juicer, you can just blend and enjoy as a smoothie. So voila, this is the delicious juice. You want to just put in your glass, refresh and hydrate yourself with it while it flushes out those toxins, like you're enjoying your juice and it is fighting diseases and cleansing your system. So I hope someone found this video helpful. Don't forget to share with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy, looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.